Did you know not all earwax is the same? Just like hair or skin type, earwax can vary widely between individuals. Earwax acts as a protective barrier in the ear canal, but its consistency can be different based on genetics, environment, and personal habits. Some people produce soft, moist earwax that naturally makes its way out of the ear canal. Others have dry, flaky wax that tends to stick inside and build up. In some cases, earwax can become thick or hardened, especially when combined with skin oils, sweat, or dust exposure. These differences are completely normal, but they also affect how wax accumulates and whether it's likely to cause hearing issues. At Hearing First Milton Keynes, our audiologists see all types of earwax. Children sometimes have softer wax, while older adults may have drier, more compacted wax. Lifestyle factors, ear shape, and metabolism all play a role. Because not all earwax behaves the same, removal techniques must be tailored. What works for soft wax might not be ideal for hard or impacted wax. That's why professional assessment matters. Microsuction allows audiologists to see exactly what type of wax is present and remove it safely without pushing it deeper or causing discomfort. Understanding your earwax type is the first step in keeping your ears healthy.